Christine from Resellables, ready to open another Amazon mystery box for you. If you can't tell, I'm getting ready for Christmas. I am ready. The spirits are high. I woke up feeling like $1,000,000 today. It's going to be a good day because it's Thursday and we are open. We open Thursdays 12 to 7, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday 9 to 4. Right here in beautiful Bellingham, Massachusetts. This is my second box from our newest truckload. Holy cow, Batman, we're going to be here for a while. Well, you might want to press pause and go get yourself a drink because this one is filled to the brim, friends. All right, let's take a look-see. What do we have here? What is this? Fingerprinting. Is this like a, look, it looks like fingerprinting, but look, it's like stencils. This is some kind of craft kit with fingerprints and stencils. Ink pad, card making. Oh, make your own cards. You know what? There's not enough actual writing of cards anymore. Everybody loves a card. You want to really get somebody something they want for Christmas? Send them a card. Like, write it with your own pen. Enough with the text and the emails and all of the electronics. Let's go old school. All right, next up. How about some freeze-dried lemon slices? That seems to be something you could add to maybe a nice holiday cocktail, if you may. I bet that is delicious. Okay, and then, what is this? What is it? What is this? Some kind of keychain situation, or? Oh, it's a W. It's a keychain with a W on it. Well, if your name is, let's see, Winston or Winona, we've got a keychain for you right here. All right, and then, are these more of the same? These are different letters, but the same idea. We've got all different letters here, but the same idea. We have this many keychains. Okay, and next, oh, I might have to keep it. I've got an artsy-fartsy kid that cannot have enough markers in her life, and this is a fine line drawing pens. I probably have to keep this. I've got some markers. All right, and then, this is a good box for the crafty folk. I tell you what, there's a lot in here. This is some kind of bead situation, but then it also has this like wooden flower. Some kind of bead making kit. I like it. Very nice, very nice. And then, what is a fun stone, solid as stone and as fun as you? What does that mean? What does that mean? Solid as stone and as fun as me? Oh, what is it? Is this a watch, a really fancy metal watch band with little screws? This is some kind of solid as stone, fun as me watch band. It's weird that it says solid as stone because it definitely looks like it's metal, but you know, potato, potato. We've got a bunch of those. And then, what is this? Some kind of decor. What kind of decor? I'm like afraid to cut it because I don't want to cut through the actual decor. What is it? Oh, it's a bunch of like canvas posters. What do they say? Hold on. Oh, they've got tape on them. Let's get it open. Hey, we sell these we sell these boxes at our store in Bellingham, Massachusetts. They're $55 each. We do not ship. They're packed by Amazon. I don't know what's in it. You don't know what's in it. You get what you get. You don't get upset. But look what you could get. Ooh, cheetah. What else do we have besides the cheetah? This is a set of 4. These are nice, thick canvas. We've got a cheetah, and then we have, oh, look. Uh-oh. It's falling apart on me. Okay, I'm going to have to take the whole thing apart. Then we have, look, a card with lips. And then one more thing. What's the third one? This is like a collection. I don't know. This is like a collection of wall hangings in black and white and pink. I like it. And we have this many of those. All right, but wait, what's next? What does this say? I don't know. Something about 10mm and women. Let's see what that could possibly be. These are a really good time. The boxes are fun. Oh, look, it's a little beaded bracelet. I like it. Nothing wrong with that. The boxes are so fun to open. It's fun to figure out what they are. How about a little bag that says, just a girl who loves foxes? You know anybody that loves a good fox? What is the fox? What did the fox say? Get him a little bag. Ooh, how about some makeup? Eyebrow upgrade. I tell you what, you want thicker eyebrows, we got you covered. Tell us where you're watching from. We haven't asked that in a while, but I'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments. Where are you watching this from? We just recently got to, I think, 20,000 followers or something like that, maybe more. And it's like so interesting. These people are all over the world and they're watching me open these boxes in here in Little Bellingham, Mass. All right, what's this? Oh, well. Hold on, friends. Look what we have here. Let's just try them on. How do those look? Ooh, fancy. A little pink mirror action, if you may. Who doesn't need a pair of sunglasses? Like I said, the box costs $55 each, and they generally have hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of product in it. They're super fun. Oh, you see this little code right here? You scan that with your Amazon app. Open up the app, and in the search bar at the top, click on the thing that looks like a camera, and then choose barcode at the bottom, and it'll scan it, and it'll tell you exactly what it is, which is where I get the pictures that I put up on the screen. Let's see what this is. Oh, I don't know. Look. It's like some kind of a mini lanyard situation. I wonder if it holds onto your phone or what you do with that. Oh, look, here's another one of those card making kits. Ooh, fashion. Well, salmon is all the rage. I tell you what, this past summer, everybody was wearing salmon at the beach. We have an adorable pair of salmon shorts. Who needs a pair of salmon shorts? We've got you covered. All the clothes that we open go into our clothing bin. The kids bin is $5. The adult bin is $7. So if you want a pair of salmon shorts, come on down and get them out of the clothes bin for $7. Here's another card making kit. And another card making kit. Well, I see it there. All right, and then, what is this? Well, this is a nice full, I really like this truckload. This is a full box. Oh, look. This is, oh, Spider-Man birthday party. Whoa. Spider-Man's birthday party. Oh my gosh, everything's falling off. I've got a booby trap situation here, friends. How about a cell phone accessory? Would it be a mystery box without a cell phone accessory? The answer is no. Here's one. Okay. Oh, we've got another one of those keychains. And we still have so much stuff in here. Guys, I speed up the video so that I'm not taking forever and droning on, but sometimes they're just super long anyway. This is a set of shirts of different colors. Let's look at one. Is it long sleeve? Is it short? Oh, it's long. Wait a minute. Long sleeve. Oh, these are cute. With the I might need to keep these. We've got a set of long sleeve shirts, and I'm a fan. I like the ruching at the waist. It's very forgiving, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you guys noticed. I've got this adorable romper on that I got from the Shein so that I could be festive and spread some holiday cheer. All right, and then continuing on with the fashion, we have something white. What is it? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look. Oh, look at this. It's a cute little white dress. Adorable. It's not going to fit me, but maybe somebody a little bit smaller. Super cute. And then, oh, look at this. It's a Stover backpack. Look at the picture. I'm not going to open it, but it's a rolling duffel bag with 2 wheels, large compartments, and carry handles. Who doesn't need that? That's a good find. All right, and then Christmas bingo. Keeping it. Keeping it. Oh, we're going to play bingo on Christmas, and I'm going to pick some mystery box items as prizes. Super fun. Okay. Oh, wait, I have multiple. Oh, I have multiple. You can get them too. Hey, this will go into our regular old $2 bin, so if you want to do Christmas bingo, get it out of the $2 bin. Okay, we have another card making kit. Then we have a banner of pumpkins. A nice little pumpkin banner. Ooh, what is this? Let me tell you, don't threaten me with Christmas clothes, because as you see, I'll wear them. I will wear them. Oh, this is super soft. Is this a flag? Why is it so soft? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a tree skirt. But I could wear it as a cape. Oh, I could wear it as a cape, but it is a Christmas tree skirt, and we have not one, but 2 of those. All right, and then a couple more things. We're almost there. We're almost done. This says, do not separate, sold as a set. Let's see what it could possibly be. All right. Let's open her up. All right, we have, oh, Peet's Coffee. Peet's Berkeley Roast Coffee. Who doesn't like coffee? Well, I don't, actually. I don't like coffee. But everybody else in the world seems to like it, so you can give it away. Oh. What is this? String light hook, it says. This is a great box. It has tons of good stuff in it. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to open this guy. Maybe just the end here. We do not ship. We only sell these at our store in Bellingham, Massachusetts. If you want some, come to Bellingham. If you're too far away, I'm sorry. Maybe we'll ship again sometime in the future. But for right now, we're not. It's too much of a hassle. Too much going on. All right, let's see. What's the deal with the... Oh, I don't know. Look. Are these the hooks that... Like the clips that put the Christmas lights on your gutter? I don't know. I'm not sure, but we have this many boxes of those. All right, we're almost there. Last thing. Ooh, let's open this up. What do we think it is? It says something about party or wedding. Party supplies. I like a good party. Nothing wrong with a good party. All right, let's take a peek. The final thing in this Amazon mystery box is... I don't know. Look. Maybe it's like, oh, some kind of decorative decor. I'm not sure. But that, my friends, was everything that was in this Amazon mystery box. If you want your own box, come on down to Bellingham. We'll see you soon.